Hey guys, this is a game I like to call Building, Get Ready, Survival. And if you win, you get $100, which is right over there. So, here's our contestants. They're all the way up there. Help us! Help us! Get us! Help! Help! And then if you see big legs, we built a robot going all the way back and forth.
Alright, bottom deck.
Oh! I wasn't even right.
He's...
Oh!
Now, should we go to the top?
Oh!
Wait. Hey, should we tip that over? How would I blow a dynamite and tip the whole thing over?
Good idea.
And then we start shooting them. Oops. Now look, here's the dynamite.
Hey! And what's the dynamite gonna do? Get out of here! Oh! Oh! Look at the clown! And the clown still stands.
Now let's start shooting them. Get out of here.
I know.
Now I'm just gonna use my powers to pick it up.
I was getting full on that!
Oh!
Ow! Oh! Somebody's head! Hey, you didn't win. Oh, somebody's head! Somebody's head came off. Here's the body. Oh, look! Oh, we just cracked his neck. Yo, get it over here. Yo, get it over here.
Get it over here, cameraman! Hey, I found some interesting stuff. We just cracked the guy's head. Look, come here.
Look at that. Cracked his head right there.
Oh, and someone's cape fell off.